Hey everyone, it's me GUNI and you're watching me on Learning for Life. So today we are going to start with the lecture number 1 of mathematics, rational numbers. So what are rational numbers basically? Rational numbers are all include all types of numbers, whether natural numbers or whole numbers, or you can say it includes integers, all the numbers, and they exist always in PQ form, P over Q form, in fractional forms. So this was what are rational numbers. Let's take some examples like 1 over 2, 3 over 4. These are all examples of rational numbers. Now we are going to discuss some of its properties. These 5 I have written here, the properties of rational numbers, and we are going to discuss this. So, number 1, closure property. So, this property basically means when we add two rational numbers, the answer is also a rational number. So, like if I add 2 over 3 plus 4 over 3, two rational numbers we are adding, PQ form numbers, rational numbers we are adding. So it will give 6 over 3, which is also a rational number. So sum of two rational numbers are going to be a rational number. So closure property means this. Coming to the next second property is associative property. So associative property basically means that whether we add the numbers like, let's take A plus B, then see whether we add in this format or we add A plus B plus C. Whether we add in this format, this is going to be equal. So this is known as associative property. That whether we add in this format or in this format, the answer will be same. Same as if we say the third property, which is commutative property. This means that associative property is used for 3 or more numbers, whereas commutative property is used for 2 numbers. So A and B. So this means A plus B is equals to B plus A. So commutative property is used for 2 numbers, like A plus B is going to be equal to B plus A. And associative property is used for 3 or more numbers. Then the fourth property is existence of additive identity. This means that we are going to add something in the rational number, like we take C 3 over 4. So we are going to add something in this number so that the value of this number should not change. So basically, if you want something to not change and you are going to add something, you are going to add the number 0. So you are always going to add the number 0 with any rational number to get the same number. So this is the property existence of additive identity. Good. Coming to the last property, which is existence of additive inverse, is like, let's see, 3 over minus 3 over 4. So this property says that you should add a number over here which should result in giving the answer 0. So answer should be 0 and we are going to add something here. So always the number which is in negative form takes a positive number of its form to have 0. So it is 3 over 4. Let's take it with an easy example that if you have 2 candies and you want that you should be left with 0 candies and you have to add some something here. What you will add? You will add minus 2. So then when we will solve it, minus plus minus will get minus, and 2 minus 2 will be 0. So basically this means that if you are having a positive number, you are going to add the same negative number. The quantity should be same of the negative number. And if you have negative number, you are going to add the positive number. So these were the 5 properties of rational numbers. And now we are going to look at some of examples of some sums to clear with these properties. So now we are going to take some examples in which we are going to evaluate the sums. So let's see. Evaluate. The sum number 1 is, let's have it 3 over 6 plus 7 over 6. So you are going to take the LCM of the lower bottom numbers, but in this case both are same, so it will be 6 only. Then 3 plus 7 as it is, we are going to write, and then we are going to add these, which is going to be 10 over 6. And then because both are even numbers, they are going to be they are coming to the same tables, we are going to do the cutting over here. So 5 over 3. This is the final answer. Now we are going to look at a number in which this is going to be same now, but I am going to have a negative number over here. So let's have minus 9 over 6 again. So here again both the bottom, the denominators are same. So here the denominator will be 6 only. 3 plus minus 9. 3 plus minus 9. Then minus plus minus will get a minus. We will get a minus over here. So we will do a minus 3 minus 9. We will subtract, and sign will be of the bigger number only. If we subtract 3 from minus 9, 6. Minus 6 over positive 6. And then again cutting is possible, so 1 over 1 and minus 1 over minus 1 over 1 is the answer. So this was today's video regarding rational numbers, and I am going to touch some of the sums here for your practice. You can practice these sums at your homes, and then you are going to tell me your problems in the comment section. I'll surely clear them in the next video. Moreover, these answers will be also be dictated in the next one. And like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.